राह देखी थी इस दिन की कब से, आगे के सपने सजा रखे थे न जाने कब से। बड़े उतावले थे जाने को, जिंदगी का अगला पड़ाव पाने को। पर न जाने क्यों दिल में आज कुछ और आता है, वक्त को रोकने का जी चाहता है। जिन बातों को लेकर रोते थे, आज उन पर हंसी आती है। न जाने क्यों आज उन पलों की याद बहुत सताती है। कहीं अनकही हजारों बातें रह गई, न भूलने वाली कुछ यादें रह गई।
Very, very happy 50th birthday. Lots of memories coming into my mind right now. Just trying to recollect the wonderful memories that we had playing different type of sports. Happy that we were in Orlem in our childhood. It's a sports loving area. All different type of sports, especially cricket, since we were little good at it. Recollecting your planning, strategies to try and win games, never give up attitude, the underarm tournaments where I never performed. And it's always been you or Jude trying and playing it out. Recollecting finals, I don't recollect of any finals that we must have lost in any given tournaments. Football, we had been to your football game in the college, recollecting that very vividly. And I just cannot forget the six that you happened to hit when I was not playing in the team and we happened to win that match. Okay, it's wonderful memories, wonderful, wonderful memories. Challenging phases many people face in their lifetime. We have also faced it. We were no different. But coming out trumps is more important. Best funny incidents that I recollect of is the football game. And your goalkeeper trying to come and tackle the player and the ball has gone behind. Now वो उधर से चिल्ला रहा है, इस बॉल को बुला रहा है, आजा मेरे पास. Myself, Jude, Joachim, Gavin, Shad, Frank, you guys are laughing our hearts out. Wonderful, wonderful part of thing. Also looking at the other aspect was playing that Mitchoki match जहाँ पे तू एम्पायर है और कोई भी बॉलर आ रहा है and I'm just whacking the ball. Though it was carrying that day, but मार रहा है and I could just see that smile on your face. Still recollecting that smile very vividly, very vividly.
ऐ यार सुन यारी तेरी मुझे जिंदगी से भी प्यारी है. ऐ यार सुन यारी तेरी मुझे जिंदगी से भी प्यारी है. जवाब नहीं हमारा कहीं बड़ी खूब जोड़ी हमारी है. सुन यारी तेरी मुझे जिंदगी से.
For me, you're not just a family brother, but much bigger than that. You're a very, very, very close friend. I can share anything with you. Same reciprocates at your end. Okay. Childhood, everybody had their struggles. We were no different. We had our own share of struggles, tuitions, running to try and get hold of kites, bhaura, playing marbles, selling marbles. I mean, we would do anything to try and see to it that we get some money in our purse. The beautiful thing about all of this is we never gave up. we never gave up. And that's the attitude that we carry till date. I see that very vividly in your eyes, and I also carry that same attitude. You met with that accident. It was really scary. It was a rebirth of sorts. You still have those scars. You still cannot have the balance of your body. But it's a rebirth, and it's so nice to see that despite all the challenges, you are still there, strong as ever. Would really love to spend time with you. बचपन में गोटी गोटी लंगोटी यार दोनों जन एक ही जगह पर कहीं भी जाते साथ में ही रहते थे. So really miss you, and definitely जब बोलेगा तब यहाँ से निकल के आ जाऊंगा यूएस, या तू इधर आ जाए यार, अपन लोग आराम से जीते.
दिलों में तुम अपनी बेताबियां लेके चल रहे हो तो जिंदा हो तुम. नजर में ख्वाबों की बिजलियां लेके चल रहे हो तो जिंदा हो तुम. हवा के झोंकों के जैसे आजाद रहना सीखो. तुम एक दरिया के जैसे लहरों में बहना सीखो. हर एक लम्हे से तुम मिलो खोले अपनी बाहें. हर एक पल एक नया समा देखे ये निगाहें. जो अपनी आंखों में हैरानियां लेके चल रहे हो तो जिंदा हो तुम. दिलों में तुम अपनी बेताबियां लेके चल रहे हो तो जिंदा हो तुम.
राजीव, बर्थडे की बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं. तुम हमेशा ऐसे ही खुश रहो. दानवीर कर्ण जो बने हुए हो, इट्स योर विश. यू हैव हेल्प्ड सो मेनी ऑफ अस, स्पेशली मी. I always wish and pray that you have good health and good mind, obviously in a good body. We have so many different memories. I remember you were always the one who was, building bridges among all of us. And it has been really a cherished life till now, with all your great support to all different people. You are a gem of a person here. Wish you a very happy 50th birthday.
Pava ji, very happy birthday. Congrats on your half century. Okay? Bye.
Many happy returns of the day, Mama ji. Wish you a happy birthday and good health.
Hey Tinu, how are you? This is Ivan here. How have you been, man? Missed those first 25 years of your life, yeah. All of us enjoyed those days. Played all sorts of sports, yeah. Ate English tamarind and what else? Mangoes, jam. Wow, what days, yeah. Those are great days. How time flies, and now you're celebrating your 50th birthday. I'm wishing you a very happy 50th birthday. Yeah. Welcome to the Wise Men's Club. Be healthy and wise. Cheers. Bye.
Hey Rajiv, wishing you a happy 50th birthday. All the best.
Hi Tinu, happy 50th birthday. You've never managed to score 50 in any of the matches we played at the church compound, so I guess this is a first for you as well. But great memories, Tinu, especially the fine leg sweep for the underarm tournament that we won. We practiced a lot in the fields for that match, and I think that particular shot has to be called the Tinu shot. We probably scored 20-25 runs in a 5-over match only with that shot. So that was interesting. I'm speaking on behalf of Ashok and Vinay as well. I'm sure they would have wanted to wish you, but they also would have wondered how come they got through life fielding for 3 or 4 hours and then batting for 2 hours in the fields. But that was that, right? Something else that came to my mind yesterday was the biryani in tandoor that we managed to eat because of the money we made from the tournament at the church compound. So yes, a little bit of that money went towards the bat and some of the balls, but a lot of it went to tandoor as well. So cheers and enjoy your 50th birthday. Stay in touch, Tinu. All the best.
Hey Tinu, wish you a happy 50th birthday, mate. Just calling to wish you from the Olympic Village in Tokyo. Yeah, hope you have a good one, and yeah, take care of yourself. Cheers, mate. See ya. Bye.
Hi Rajiv, I don't know where to start from. We have come a long way, my friend. With you, life has always been a roller coaster ride, be it bunking lectures, getting thrown out of class by the professors, getting thrown out from the professor's house, that crazy football game, the tournament, the practice and the nude baths we had after the practice, and then stealing that cassette from the video library and running away on a cycle, going to college on your Atlas cycle, and those sleepless nights we had just before the DY exams, and finally the accident that was a new birth for you and me together. Well, for me, you are the original Rancho of Three Idiots. Never said it, but always came out tops. For this, I will be always jealous of you. Well, you are my brother from another mother, maybe more. You have always taken care of me, loved me like an elder brother and protected me. And on your 50th birthday, I wish you all the very best. I pray to God to give you good health, happiness and peace, and all the best for the next 50 as well. तेरे जैसा यार कहाँ मेरे भाई, कहाँ ऐसा यार है. Have a wonderful 50th birthday and have a great life ahead. Love you, bro. Love you from the bottom of my heart. Bye.
Hi Rajiv, wish you a very happy birthday and wish you all the best and good luck. And it was really nice meeting you after so many years, and you've done very well for yourself, hard work, and you were a great family. So hope all's well with you during this pandemic now. Anyway, wish you another great life ahead. Happy birthday once again.
Hi Rajiv, Sempu here. Wish you many happy returns for your 50th birthday. Wish you all the best for your future. May God bless you. Hope you continue and keep in touch with me. Thanks a lot. Bye Rajiv. All the best.
यादों की बारात निकली है आज दिल के द्वारे, दिल के द्वारे. सपनों की शहनाई बीते दिनों को पुकारे, दिल के द्वारे. ओ छेड़ो तराने मिलन के प्यारे प्यारे संग हमारे. बदले ना अपना ये आलम कभी, जीवन में बिछड़ेंगे ना हम कभी. हो बदले ना अपना ये आलम कभी.